so many thousands of people entered Islam after you, alhamdulillah. What was the most emotional moment for you? Like one specific story that affected you personally?
I mean, the many incidences which, mashallah, touched my life when non-Muslim accepted Islam. One of the unique was when I was to go to Dubai to give lectures, there was a person, Hindu by the name of Rahul. He used to, when I was to give public lectures, he used to ask me questions. And he used to ask me one of the most difficult questions. And he said that I know more about Islam than about the management that you're doing, or engineering I think you're doing. So his question was something which was different than the other questions. And then I remember one question he asked me, and he said that the first revelation of the Quran that was given by Archangel Gabriel to the Prophet, and he has studied a lot of Quran and Hadith, is about Iqra. And then the Hadith and the Tafsir says that Archangel Gabriel said Iqra, again Iqra. So he's asking the question that what did Archangel Gabriel show to Prophet Muhammad when he said Iqra? Is that document available in the museum? What did he show? There is no record of what did he show.
True.
When he said, Ma'ana biqari, I cannot read. So I told him, you asked a good question. I asked him, do you know Japanese? He said, no. I said, did I show you something in Japanese that you said no? So you don't have to show to say you don't know. When I asked him, do you know Japanese? He said, I don't know.
Yes.
So same way, when Archangel Gabriel asked the Prophet to read, he said, Ma'ana biqari. He doesn't have to show something to say that I cannot read.
True.
So with this much, one of the questions that convinced him, and there were many questions he asked. There were umpteen number of questions. And finally, mashallah, he accepted Islam.
Mashallah.
Allah gave him hidayah.